What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we have something cool. I've picked up this. It's the Boltund V showcase box, and today we're going to open it up, see what we get and see what we can have. So on the back it says, sorry about the lighting, I don't have my light, so I'm using the light from the phone. One foil promo card featuring the Boltund V, 3 TCG booster packs, and 1 code card. If you're new to this channel, guys, everyone should know by now I do give away the code cards. So if you do them online, feel free to use them. So there's nothing else in our box. Okay. Wow. Oh no, I just bent the card a little bit. Alright, if you guys can see, got the Mewtwo sleeves here. So we're gonna use some of these today. We are gonna put the Boltund in there. Come on, go in. It's always a struggle to try and get these in. He won't go in. Just this little bit, he won't go in. There we go. So this card is looking amazing. Like I said, I'm sorry about the camera, guys, or the lighting. But yeah, that is looking awesome. We got some booster packs to open. Oh, there's a code card there. Chuck these to the side. Remember, guys, I still have 5 code cards like these sitting on my shelf. No one has messaged me on Instagram yet. Instagram is the same name as this, but with underscores between each naming. So yeah, let me know on there and I will give you the code cards. So we have a Charizard Brilliant Stars, we have another Charizard Brilliant Stars, and we have Rebel Clash. Alright, we're gonna leave the Charizards last. Can we get a Charizard V-Star? That would be amazing if we did. It's always this difficult to open this. Saying now, we haven't had a look on the back what we can get from this. We can get a Copperajah VMAX, a Dragapult VMAX, a Toxtricity V, and a Dubwool and a Boltund V. Just imagine if we pulled the Boltund V after having it from the Boltund V. Alright, guys, there is the other code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got a sneeze coming. We got Fighting Energy. We got Heracross. We got Trainer Campacious Bucket. We got another Trainer Turf Field Stadium. We got Litwick. We got Lotad. Clefairy. What's going on, Clefairy? Voltorb. We got Growlithe. Ooh, we got Reverse Hollow Arcanine. Dude, you were looking fire tonight. Alright, last card, guys. And just a normal Zamazenta. Oh, that's a shame. But you never know, guys. We could pull some fire, like we just did with Arcanine. Do you know this is my first Arcanine I got? Yeah, my first Arcanine. Brilliant. Alright. Will we pull the Charizard? Alright, on the back, guys, we can get the Shaman V-Star, the Charizard V-Star, the Whimsicott V-Star, the Mimikyu V-Max. I got a Mimikyu V-Max. I got the Aggron. No, I haven't got the Aggron V-Max. Or the Kingler V-Max. But can we pull something good? Let me know, what is the best card you've pulled in Brilliant Stars so far? I seen something shiny now, guys. Something's coming. Alright, there's the third code card. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Can we guess what the energy is? Let's go with fire. Oh, it's fighting again. Damn. Alright. Oops. We have Collapsed Stadium, Claydol, Rollers, Premonition, Premonition, Actual, Impidimp, Magma, Riolu. We got Burmy, we got Reverse Hollow Gollet, and we got Luxray. So nothing in there either. Damn. Thought we was gonna pull something. I seen something shiny. Could have been just this actually. Alright, that's so far. No hollows, just 2 reverse hollows and the promo card. Alright, last pack magic. Can we guess something? Let's tap it for good luck. Alright, code card. Here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who's at the door? Water? No, psychic. Alright, we have Freshwater Set. We have Manny's Pride. We have Parachute with Shinx, Farfetch'd, Execute. We have Grimer. We have Clefairy. Oh, we got Oranguru. Nice. Last card. And we have the Shaman V. Nice. 2 pulls in 1 hit. Or 1 pack. I'm glad I kept this pack last. Wow. I already have this card. That's cool that I got another one now. But I don't think I got this card. Wow. 2 hits in 1. Damn. So for this box I paid around $20. So $20 I paid for this. Wasn't too bad of a price. Oh crap. So like I said, we got 2 V cards, or 1 V card, 1 character card. What else? Oh yeah, we got 2 V cards, my bad. And we got 2 reverse hollows. So we pulled those 2. We've got the promo card. And we also have the reverse hollow. Not too bad. I'm loving this Oranguru card. Let me know if you guys are liking that. As always, guys, I love doing these Pokemon videos. I hope you guys love these too. I will show you again these code cards. Make sure you go and do them. So there's that one. There's that one. Pause this video if I'm going too fast. There's that one. And there's the last one. Yeah, like I said, go and use them online, as I won't use them. But as always, guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel, that would be awesome. And follow my Instagram, and also mail me on Instagram to get those codes. As always guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.